introduction? Isang ko na talaga.
Hi, I'm Amjo. We have a special guest for tonight. Hi guys, pwede ba natin malaman kung sino ang anong grupo ang nasa ating ngayong gabi?
Hi guys, we are the TNT Boys.
I have a few questions for you guys so that our beloved audience will be able to know us more deeper. My first question is, can you please tell us about your highly esteemed group? How were you able to come up with this?
So we are the TNT Boys. TNT for Team No Talent. Kasi naniniwala kami na yung talent namin kasi nanggaling siya kay Lord.
Sa lahat ng nagawa namin at magagawa namin, ito ay galing kay Lord. Kaya we will do our very best to showcase the talents that God has given us.
Thank you very much, Kim and Shem. Is it indeed very right and fitting to give back our talent, giving glory to God for all the gifts He has given us? My second question is for the three of you guys. In case you win this very prestigious international talent show, ano po ang plano ninyo?
That's a very good question. So before bago namin nakilala si ang Diyos, we were just wandering the streets without direction in life.
At pagkatapos naman namin na-experience yung love ni Jesus Christ para sa atin, and which is nalaman namin na kailangan natin mag-obey sa will niya as it is given in namin.
Kung kami man ay mananalo sa gabi nito, ibibigyan namin itong panahalang ito para kayo. And then, yung magiging performance namin, gagawin namin sa abot ng aming makakaya at kung maging inspiration sa iba. Pati yung iba maging inspiration sa iba.
Salamat, Sir Jason and Josh. I have last questions for two of our brothers. We have one with us, one of the most popular and never been defeated all-women artist called Bini. Meron po ba kayong mensahe para sa kanila?
Universe. Alam na kayo magaling kayo. Pero ngayong gabi, ito yung gabi namin para kami manalo. Hindi lang iba yung susi. Ito ay ang laki ng chance para manalo ka.
Salamat, Baron.
At para naman sa iyo, me, Casey, and the rest of the believers, kahit ang tawag niyo sa sarili niyo, Bini Bless, baka after ng performance namin, kayo ay mag-Bini Langgo. Hintayin niyo lang ang aming pasabog na performance. See you soon.
Nasa inyo yung tech team.